see from time Real Madrid any Barcelona area park no so no. Any Omura park no so atmosphere na was stadium Nhyira Madrid for them massive for.
And I enjoyed the game.
It was fun.
And none near a friend a classic.
I'm telling you.
With beer drama. Ne chaotic. Honorable was a Brazil, in Brazil. Hey! You be the
I love Clasico now. Yes, now, Rich. Madrid deserves also much Barca. Per honorable now, of course.
But no mundo mujamo. And no name competition.
So I want to say. Barca na Real Madrid. I am from Winchon. Madrid or Munya.
And no name commission basis.
And that was the reason why na Vinicius said done.
Okay.
Because that time, that was when Real Madrid could have killed the game. Then all of a sudden, you are trying to be cautious as a coach. But Rich, sometimes you're so baby sana. They are umpire win until you don't also blame the coach kaka. But let's play the game. Keep too heavy. Rich, this was Real Madrid's first 11. But for almost share in Share TV or YouTube, no, I think say almost share players, no, from nominal position. That is how you put them. But the only change, and they say, Rich, time on a game when you no, I saw Kamavinga mom playing on the right, then Ada Gule deep as number 8. Me who's had the answer say, hey, Xabi Alonso is very, very intelligent and or you bold against him, your friend Barca. So this is Real Madrid in their 4-3-3. In the midfield, no, it was Chomani, Ada Gule, and Jude Bellingham as Omo number 10. Then any more, Kamavinga in unconventional right back, but he was playing on along these lines and in the middle on an game with him as a free hander. On what situation we have because so our park ni bia they left Vinicius wide. So Charlie, yeah, pexi, yeah, book game na be see we will bring the ball to you. Then you know say Kylian Mbappe in this position will always or the Barca on high line. So he was there. Then Barca came into the game with almost a sort of 4-3-3. And you know so Barcelona there, Frankie de Jong, Fermin Lopez as number 10 with Pedri. Now Rich, Xabi Alonso himself, you have ball 2 days to crown. This Barcelona midfield, say about ball retention, you dominate, you pass the ball, and they will do that. But and you know Madrid they doing all that Madrid has trained this week against Barcelona, and they say they know that Barca will play their high line again. Ombeba.
The Quembe ni be breaky high line.
It's a quite bina. Say yes, so much to say ya. Nay, you defend it very, very well. Do mumbo born in I am formal. A quite bina in this space. Saga never between almost center backs now. Everyone will go keeper now. Yeah, offside. That is the only thing Real Madrid thought say they needed to get it right. Say a good defense now. Every player must get the attitude to defend. And he said, "We are Ada Guleo, we are Jude Bellingham, we are Vinicius, we are Yebibi." So Yenkuta Bona, Yebibi, track it back. They choose Kwana Samba because these guys will be passing. Omo passing, omo is slow. And you pass ya Samba recover. But Ejibon, see Ejibona, how do we play the ball behind the Barca line? And you say I take you off that no moment to come near me offside. Now you saw that pass from Jude Bellingham to Kylian Mbappe for the first goal. Rich, last season, even when we were beating Real Madrid, baby, me catch you say, minimum the entire Real Madrid players, no, every say they will move with the pass because Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius, Rich, almost pace Barcelona backline on any day, on Bobo no to neka say.
And now the goal no so say na classical example.
No.
So me na come for ball na go.
Just be intelligent. Stay on your line. Position yourself here. Say, you ball here. Ever speed na meko. Enti Jude had a perfect pass. Our Barca backline echi. And Kylian Mbappe go for ball na obo say, look. Say time argument esoye between Pedri and Jude Bellingham. No? Those who argue for Jude Bellingham have always raised one question, say, look, about athleticism, about work ethics, and yet Daniel Nibra, Pedri, is soft, but Jude will give you.
And that's one I'm a man of the match.
I'm telling you.
I'm also the man, Kylian Mbappe.
He
was the man of the match.
What did Kylian do? Don't worry, you started born rich. 20 minutes. Let me want your fee.
But tackling.
Oh, my son.
But passing.
So you know a piano. No, or shame crying.
Oh, go be what you born as it. As a Maradona.
That is it. He is built for the big games. And Enra, he showed his class per year. Go now, Real Madrid conceded from Firmino. Those are the kind of goals Real Madrid concede. You stretch them to the bar line, a cut across. Okay, last season, Pedri Bobby Robert saying, but so that the son of man and it keeps repeating itself. For me didn't say Real Madrid deserves so much Barcelona because time a game in stretch here. Rich, no Barcelona any bench. And Barcelona with Ferran Torres as almost striker. Rich, they only had one way to attack. Because somewhere, maybe Rich, Sabo no call wings. Lami Yama money bad munya come cross the ball no as plan B to attack Real Madrid. But Rich, who cross the ball now? How do you expect Ferran Torres to win area situation with the housing any Adam Militao? It is not possible. And all the Barcelona kept doing and say, you have space, they are passable on that from because you are crossable on that. That is the reason why in the last 10-15 minutes, Hansi Flick and then decided to bring Araujo in, then put Marc Casado and Frankie de Jong as almost 4 and 5. No more the Araujo mom ever begin anymore. Sending Kemeya the few times Barcelona bet me across the ball no. Now Coutinho here the but Rich and fat. Okay. Without Rafinha, without Lewandowski, Barcelona attacking were very, very flat, and Ferran Torres was dealt with by Adam Militao and the house. And then Xabi Alonso and the first El Clásico win, and Wayang Wajuma Wayang Wajuma to get that win, no, and Mebomo Abaso. Plenty better than killing Mbappe.
Very, very bad. Not kicking in yet.
Rich.
Because before Bob on the crown, who said, segment to no position another direction.
Sending him say, I want to kill an Mbappe buffer. And in a big game, he may not want to do much.
About bodies,
I mean, na me settle. And will make it save no. And some penalty na Real Madrid answer. Any Vinicius or you in film no. Rich. Sanka Madrid and winning game now. And they will go back to those decisions. You know. Maintenance. Rich Saturday okay as I'm catch you. Me say the Lami Yama Kenyina.
Back in the show.
What Real Madrid have to do is to beat Barcelona first. Ocean ya. No go get Kalagi next no. Okay. So Pekasa no. And that was what Kavahaye. And when you say that Kavaha Canada. Say akwa your pon game na. Na owie no go Canada. Frankie de Jong go kan o say oh na say won Kavaha akra won na boss national team. It is an Kawaka bibi kwa na one tiase a enka twen na nke bia mu hye on national team na say dressing won no about kai so masa for a piece ni ade nti ye nyina ye trans no na wo so mo ka tell me yama e wo park no so nti rich and now the Real Madrid had their 10 on the El Clásico and a very very good win for Omo e was our game nti correlations to Real Madrid and they say now things that Osha gap now 27-22 5 points gap and Omo be with 10 games played and with the Spanish La Liga rich na what's this be no
I bet I'm way.
Me
kai ko to opposition ma be do Ghana no.